In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a document management system in Notion. This process is designed to simplify how you organize, store, and access your documents. Notion's versatile platform makes it easy to create a document management system tailored precisely to your needs. Let's get started right away. First, you need to open Notion and navigate to the section titled Projects, and then click on All Projects. This is where we'll lay the foundation for our document management system. It's a good idea to organize all your projects here so you can access them conveniently. Next, look for Notion AI and give it a click. This will harness the power of AI within Notion, enabling you to automate and streamline your tasks. AI can truly enhance your productivity, and setting this up is straightforward with Notion. In the AI section, go ahead and type in your prompt. You can be as specific as you like, but for this demonstration, we'll use a basic prompt. Build a file management system. By providing clear instructions, you enable the AI to assist you more effectively. Once you've entered your prompt, hit Send and allow the AI to work its magic. It will generate the required setup for your document management system. This process might take a few moments, but it's the foundation for your new system. Next step, click on File Library. This is the main hub where your files will be stored and organized. Think of it as the digital filing cabinet for all your documents, making everything accessible and easy to manage. Following that, you'll want to switch to the Visual Grid view. The Visual Grid will give you a clearer overview of your documents, making navigation throughout your files much smoother. Visual aids can significantly enhance your organization and accessibility. Moving on to creating content, you'll want to click on New Page to start a new folder. This is where individual projects or topics can be compartmentalized. Enter the name of this folder to reflect its content accurately. Proper labeling here is key for effective organization. You can add files directly within this folder by clicking on Choose a File to upload. By keeping related files grouped, you maintain a clutter-free workspace. This also enables you to locate specific documents easily. Moreover, don't forget to include the name of the file owner. This step involves typing in the owner's name, which helps keep track of who is responsible for each document. It's a useful detail, especially when working in collaborative environments. To add more folders or subfolders, click on New Page again. Type in the appropriate name and repeat the customization as needed. You can adjust the organization process to suit your personal workflow, while also exploring other creators' templates in the marketplace for inspiration. And there you have it. Your comprehensive document management system is ready to serve you, optimizing your workflows and keeping you organized. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.